Chakra is created by combining two types of energy, spiritual energy from the mind and physical energy from the body. Together, they form the fuel that ninjas use to perform their abilities. To use chakra effectively, one must master the chakra control. Basic chakra control includes walking on walls, water, or simply not wasting chakra mindlessly. Advanced chakra control enhances strength and speed and also helps a person perform medical ninjutsu. Chakra reserves vary between ninjas, affecting their ability to perform jutsu. One can improve their chakra reserve through training, but genetics play an important role as they determine one's potential. Even though Lee trained more than Naruto, he was not able to surpass Naruto because Naruto is from the Uzumaki clan. A person who runs out of chakra will die. Chakra flows through special networks in the body called the chakra pathway system. Tenketsu are specific points along the chakra pathways where chakra can be concentrated or released. Each person has 361 tenketsu. Some techniques, such as gentle fist, can close or block chakra points. The 8 gates are 8 specific chakra points in a person's body that regulate chakra flow. Without the 8 gates, the chakra would be too intense for the human body to handle. Opening these gates allows a person to greatly enhance their physical abilities, but comes with severe risks like injury or death. Hand signs help focus and mold chakra into a particular form for different techniques. Each sign corresponds to a different animal from the Chinese zodiac, and combining these signs in various sequences allows ninjas to perform different jutsu. Hand signs are like ingredients in a recipe. Each hand sign is an ingredient that, when combined in the right order, creates a jutsu, the final dish. Chakra is the heat that cooks the ingredients into a jutsu. More complex jutsu require more signs, like how complex dishes need more ingredients. Skilled ninjas, like master chefs, can use fewer signs, ingredients, or none at all to create the jutsu faster and more efficiently. Chakra natures. Chakra can be shaped into 5 basic elements: fire, water, wind, earth, and lightning. Fire chakra is all about power and destruction, turning chakra into flames. Wind chakra is sharp and cutting, focusing on precision and slicing power. Lightning chakra focuses on speed, piercing ability, and electrical current. Earth chakra is defensive and sturdy, focusing on manipulating the ground or creating solid structures. Water chakra is fluid and adaptable, used to create and manipulate water for offense or defense. Each ninja has a natural affinity for one of these 5 chakra natures, making it easier for them to use and master jutsu of that element. However, ninjas can train to learn additional chakra natures, though it requires significant effort and time. Chakra natures have a cyclical relationship where each nature has a natural advantage and disadvantage over another. Some individuals have the ability to combine 2 basic chakra natures to create a more advanced one. For example, by combining fire and earth, one can obtain lava release. I'll explain more about this in a moment. Jutsu is a technique molded by chakra and released through hand signs or other methods. There are 3 main types of jutsu. Ninjutsu refers to a wide range of techniques that utilize chakra. Elemental jutsu, techniques based on the elemental chakra natures. Transformations, changing form or disguising oneself. Summoning techniques, bringing creatures or objects from another place to the battlefield. Genjutsu, a type of jutsu that manipulates the target's mind, creating illusions by disrupting the target's chakra flow to the brain. Instead of causing physical damage, genjutsu alters the victim's senses, making them see, hear, or feel things that aren't real. It's often used to deceive or control an opponent. Breaking genjutsu typically requires disrupting one's own chakra with methods like pain or help from an ally. Taijutsu, physical combat techniques that focus on martial arts skills. It does not rely heavily on chakra, but can incorporate it for enhanced strength and speed. Kekkei genkai are special abilities that only specific individuals inherit through their genetics. These abilities are unique to certain clans and cannot be learned or copied by others outside the bloodline. Kekkei genkai come in different forms, including elemental fusion, special eye techniques, and unique physical traits. Elemental fusion, combining 2 of the basic chakra natures to create a new, more powerful element. For example, Hashirama combines water and earth to create wood release. Keep in mind that Hashirama could do do it because of his genetics. If Kakashi tried the same, he would fail, even though he can use both water and earth elements. Dojutsu manifests in the form of special eyes. These are typically passed down within certain clans. For example, the Sharingan is limited to members of the Uchiha clan. Unique physical abilities. Provide unique physical abilities or transformations, almost like a mutation. For example, Kimimaro can manipulate his bones. Kekkei Tota, the combination of 3 elemental natures. An example is dust release, created by mixing earth, wind, and fire. Kekkei Mora, unique to the Otsutsuki clan. Simply put, every ability used by Kaguya falls into this category. There are exceptions where individuals acquire Kekkei Genkai despite not being part of the original bloodline. However, these instances often come with drawbacks or limitations because the individual lacks the proper genetic heritage to fully harness the ability. Orochimaru attempted to replicate wood release by implanting Hashirama's cells into other individuals. As a result, those individuals couldn't survive the powerful Senju DNA, and those who survived had weaker versions of wood release. Sage Mode is a powerful transformation that enhances a user's physical abilities, senses, and techniques by blending their chakra with natural energy from the environment. There are different types of Sage Mode, such as Toad Sage Mode and Snake Sage Mode, each with unique abilities. To learn Sage Mode, a person must train to sense and control natural energy, maintaining a perfect balance with their chakra. It requires precise control, and mastering it can be dangerous, as absorbing too much natural energy can turn the user to stone. Tailed beasts are huge creatures made of chakra that give their hosts incredible power. More uses of chakra. Chakra isn't just for combat. Ninjas use it for other things too, like sensing nearby enemies or sealing dangerous objects or beings. Yin and Yang releases are nature transformations that exist outside the 5 basic elemental natures. Yin release uses spiritual energy, while Yang release uses physical energy, the 2 components of chakra. Simply put, every jutsu is tied to either yin, yang, or both. Yin release represents spiritual energy, the mind's power and imagination. It's connected to something intangible, something that isn't solid. Yin release is used in techniques that manipulate mental energy and illusions, like genjutsu. Yang release represents physical energy, focusing on the body's vitality and life force. Yang release governs the tangible, giving physical form and vitality. When yin and yang are combined, they can create and give life to form. Yin provides the form, and yang gives it vitality. Using yin and yang releases is very difficult, meaning that only a few characters are known to use them. Yin and yang sounds complicated, and actually they are, since not much is known about them, but I will try to simplify. If I want to create a shadow clone, I first have to imagine and transfer chakra to a certain place, which is yin release. After that, we can materialize it and give it physical form, and that will be yang release. While it isn't explicitly said in the manga, I believe it works like that. If you could choose only 2 of the 5 basic elements, which would you choose? I hope you enjoyed the video. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments. I'll be breaking down more concepts like this, so if that's something you're into, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss it.